All right, y'all, we are live, baby, on this beautiful Wednesday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. I hope everyone is super blessed. Shout out to Santi asking, how's Papa Casper? He is doing all right. All right, he is doing all right. He did not have a heart attack. Praise God. God is good. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus. Hope everyone's doing really well, as we are currently shorting Bitcoin right now from the exact top, baby. Oh man, shout out to Ben. He shorted 37.4, baby. That's a good entry, man. That's a good entry. So here's the deal. I did get into a short right here, as you can see. As you can see, guys, I got into a short here for a pretty juicy profit so far. I don't know if this thing is going to get stopped out. All right, if it gets stopped out, I will take about a $150 loss on this. I'm sorry, a $150 minus, so it'll be a $600 profit if this thing gets stopped out, all right? Also, guys, man, oh man, oh man, oh man, talk about the juice. Talk about the juice, because I added to my short a little bit, because if you guys remember, I had shorted the top by accident. I shorted this by accident live on Thursday, and then I added to that short when we hit this, okay? And then I added a little bit more now when we did this, okay? So, talk about the juice, baby. I got into a long trade yesterday, up in the craziest profits, and yeah, it's been a crazy day. So let's see if we can't get this. Let's see if we can't get this other short a little bit more here. I don't know, guys. I don't know, guys. All right, I'm gonna make a poll in the chat. All right, Bitcoin pumping or dumping? All right, Bitcoin pumping or dumping? Let's start a poll, baby. Bitcoin pump or dump? BTC pump or dump? Question mark. Pump, dump. We're going to be getting into the analysis. We're going to be looking at market cipher B, baby. All right. So shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Aztec Warlord. All right. Looks like I have a little chicken logo on my thing now, huh? Guys, if we can get 1,000 likes up in here, I will be doing a giveaway. All right, if we can get 1,000 likes up in here, I will absolutely be doing a little bit of a giveaway here. All right. And yeah, man, it is one of those days, guys. Let's talk about what has happened with Bitcoin, what's happening now. All right, I made a video this morning talking about, better close this limit. Well, yeah, I should close it. Made a video this morning talking about how this bounce right here was pretty bullish. All right, I want to talk about why I think this bounce is pretty bullish, and I also want to talk about why it's very possible we see Bitcoin make another high here. I want to talk about why it's possible we see Bitcoin make another high. All right, let's take a look here at our Bitcoin chart. All right, let's remove everything here, and let's just go to the 4-hour time frame, guys. All right. We're going to start on the Quattro. Let's put some alerts here in case Bitcoin starts a pumping. I think she might. All right, I think she might start a pumping, baby. All right, so bam. Check this out, guys. The Bitcoin price yesterday, yeah, we got that big move to the downside. You guys saw the short trade. I closed that out, obviously. I just decided to close the whole thing, the one from yesterday. Now, look at this. We front ran the Fibonacci. Not the Fibonacci, we front ran the point of control by like a little tiny bit. And in addition, we were also unable to even make a lower low than this low that we made right back here, okay? So technically, guys, the Bitcoin price is still in this uptrend, right? Still in this uptrend. And if we look at this trend line that connects all these lows, we closed the 4-hour candle above the trend line, and now we're back up above the value area high of the range. Not only are we back above the value area high of the range, but look at this. We came above it, we came down to backtest it, and bam, baby, off to the stratosphere. Right now, it's absolutely insane and wild and crazy. Everybody's going crazy, calling their mom, saying, "Mom, Bitcoin's pumping, baby." Blasting off to the atmosphere, all right? Now, this to me, when we add a little bit of market cipher B, all right, let's add a little bit of market cipher B, baby. All right, look at this. We potentially have here what is known as a hidden bullish divergence. A hidden bullish divergence is when the price is making a higher low in an uptrend right? An uptrend is categorized by higher lows and higher highs. So we got ourselves a low, a high, a higher low, a higher 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 high, a higher low. And when you see that you're making a higher low in an uptrend and the momentum waves are getting lower, that's called a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, so the hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour combined with, mixed with the bullishness of this buyback is making me think, guys, maybe we go for this high, right? Now, the make it or break it for me, the line in the sand, was really going to be this Fibonacci 786. Now, you can see we wicked above it, and we're holding above it. So the only other thing we have here is potentially a CDW of these highs at 37,125, right? 37,125, potential CDW of those highs right there. That's the only other thing that we would have. And then potentially a CDW of this high. And if not, guys, Bitcoin's going to be pumping, baby. Bitcoin is going to be pumping. So that is wild. Okay, short trade, guys. Not doing the best here. All right, still in profits, still open here. All right, still in profits, still open. Okay, let's see how she goes. All right, shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, shout out to Fit Genius 618. Shout out to Technically Bullish. Shout out to Mihawk, Anna Gavin Zapadoba. Shout out to OT, 3-week Blood Diamond confirmed. Shout out to Mike K. He says, let's go, baby. Shout out to Brett Moore. Got to keep 37,400. Shout out to DG. What is going on, DG? Is there any info on the course for Black Friday? Look, guys, here's the thing. I have just created a new course. All right, the 5-second scalping strategy course. The 5-second scalping strategy. All right, that I have been using to basically take all the trades I've been taking on this account. All right, pretty much all these trades here that I have taken, that you can see, I have taken using the 5-second scalping strategy, okay, for the past few days here. All right, and I'm going to be releasing this course. This is how I actually got into this trade right here. All right, scalping only the 5-second time frame, guys. I have been quite profitable the past month. All right, I've been dedicating one of my accounts to 5-second scalping, and yeah, so I'm gonna be releasing that, and it's gonna be out before Black Friday. I'm gonna release it very, very cheaply. It's gonna be an add-on to the existing course, or it's also, you can get it by itself, and it's gonna be under $100. All right, it's gonna be under $100. So yeah, we're gonna be having some sales and all that stuff. All right, let's see what's happening with Bitcoin here. All right, I do want to just check on something. I do want to just check on something here, guys. Here, bear with me for a moment, all right? Because I want this to be a little bit private, all right? I want this to be a little bit private, okay? All right, let's see here. Let's see here. All right, so honestly, guys, yeah, these Bitcoin short trades, they very well may get stopped out, baby. All right, and if they do, it's all good in the hood. All right, it is all good in the hood. Potentially, we might get stopped out of this just to take this high here, okay? Or maybe even to potentially take this high here. All right, we're gonna have to wait and see. Let's check out our 5-second time frame. Okay, let's check out our 5-second time frame here, because that is going to tell us exactly what to expect on the Bitcoin price. I know it sounds crazy, guys, but the 5-second time frame, that's where it's at, baby. All right, so let's see. The 5-second time frame tipped us off that the high was in. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? All right, as we are getting this initial top here, first of all, we do it with the bearish divergence, money flow getting lower. And then as we make this ascending channel, look at this, money flow coming out, baby. Bearish divergence is out the wazoo. and then bam, we drop. All right? Bam, we drop. Okay? Now, let's see how this is going, because right now, let's pull a fib from the high to the low, because if we start to surpass the 786, I might call it a trade, honestly. I might just call it a trade, all right? I might just call it a trade, guys. It looks like we might surpass that 786 here. Whoa, looks like we're surpassing her. Okay. Oh, man, we're surpassing her. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, man. Okay. If we... 786 here is on MEXC. Right here on MEXC. All right, get ready to flash close this baby. All right, we're going to flash close if we take that 786. We're going to flash close it. We're going to flash close it. All right, we're hanging in there, baby. Come on. What's Bitcoin going to do? Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to flash close it. Looks like she wants higher, huh, guys? All right, just flash closed it. You know, I'll take the profit, okay? I'll take the profit. A $658 profit right there. All right, I'll take it. I'll take that, huh? I'll take it, guys. All right. Let's check back to our 5-second time frame. How's she looking? You know, she could be... This could be a double top, guys. This honestly could have been a double top right here. This could have been a double top. All right. The reason I say is because money flow continuing to come out here. I don't know if it is or not. Like, obviously, I'm out of the short now, so it is what it is. All right. But, let's see. Let's pull a fib locally here. super degen, I know, guys. But look, this is what it's like to be a scalper, to be a day trader. You got to be in the trenches like this. You got to be analyzing every little thing, all right? You got to be analyzing every little thing right here. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to AZTV. Shout out to This Is a Leo. You want to smash that like button? Alrighty. Yeah, we're going to smash the likes, baby. We are going to smash those likes. Alrighty. So, look, maybe that was a double top there. I'm not really sure, okay? I close out that trade. Now, I've still got some trades open, right? I'm still short. I'm still short from over here as well, guys. So, you know, it's not like I'm totally out of the game right now if that was a double top, because this entry right here was absolutely perfect, okay? This entry here, absolutely perfect, because I added to the trade from the setup we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord to short the 786, right? So I've been in this short for a while, all right? Shout out to the Casper Crew. Shout out to the S&P 500, absolutely pumping like a wild woman in distress. Guys, can we take this high next on Bitcoin? I'm going to set a take profit at 38,196. 38,196 is going to be our next TP. We're going to close out $15,000. Boom. All right, let's see if we can hit that. All right, let's see if we can hit that. Okay. Now, in the meantime, while we're waiting to hit our take profit, all right, we are going to get back to the Bitcoin chart. We are going to be setting some alerts, because indeed, guys, the Bitcoin price is pumping like Janet Yellen running through the wilderness with the laundry basket on her head with a very toned midsection. All right, let me go ahead and set an alert here in case Bitcoin tries to highs again. Okay, so what are the very key levels that we have? we've already kind of discussed why Bitcoin got such a bullish bounce, and why even this morning when I made my video update, why I was saying, man, this could be very, very bullish. All right, the only two levels we have right now, guys, are going to be number one, 37,578 for a potential rejection. All right, now when we look at our 12-minute time frame, I would say it's not looking very bearish, guys. Money flow is getting thick. It's not looking very bearish. Okay, the next level for a potential rejection is going to be up here. All right, this right here around 38,107, just a typical swing failure of that high like this. Doop, doop, okay? These are the only two levels, honestly, of resistance that we have. Other than that, I'd say let's keep the longs open, baby. Okay, let's see if we can't keep these longs open. All right? Okay, so honestly, if we keep pumping out of here, then here's something that we do need to be aware of, guys. All right, here's something that we need to be aware of, and this is a big shout to, well, here, let's see something, actually. This is logarithmic. Let's remove the logarithmic. The next area that I'm actually going to be interested in right here on Bitcoin is going to be right below $40,000. Right around 39,675-ish, because we have this daily order block right here. So this would actually be my next target for Bitcoin if we can actually pump up above that key level that we see right here. Okay, so these are the levels to the upside that personally I am going to be aware of, right? These are levels to the upside that personally I am going to be aware of, guys. 37,578, 38,107, and then 39,675. This is the daily time frame. She's looking like she wants to get bullish. The 4-hour time frame, money flow curving back up. When you are in a very strong uptrend, the 4-hour purple money flow actually oftentimes will act as support. VWAP, very poignant. Looking like she wants more upside here, guys. Looking like she wants some more upside right now. I cannot confirm nor deny whether or not she wants more upside. But I will tell you this, guys. I will tell you this. My short trade is about to get stopped out. All right, my short trade is about to get stopped out. And then our next target is going to have to be that 38,196 take profit. All right. Now, I want to talk about how I ended up getting in this long trade, because yesterday, you know, price dumped and it was just, there's nothing I could do. There's nothing I could do. I couldn't get long. I couldn't get short, right? There was nothing I could do here. So what happened? How did I get into this long trade? This is actually a really good strategy you can use to get into trades when you know price is going a certain direction and you're feeling the FOMO, but you don't just want to buy the top, all right? Basically, what you need to do is you need to wait for some kind of range to form. All right, if we get a big wick, typically what I do is I look at the price action and I say, I don't even consider this part of the price action, right? When we get a big wick like this I don't even consider part of the price action. Instead, what I do is I look for the first semblance of a sideways range that I can see. And so the first semblance of a sideways range that I see is right here, right? That's the first semblance, the 2-minute time frame. So basically we're talking about, let's see here, how much time? About an hour and a half of ranging, okay? And then really, all I'm really doing here is I'm looking for some kind of entry point. Or I'm looking for some kind of entry point. And for me, the entry point happened right here. When we came down and we took the lows of this mini sideways range with bullish divergences on the low time frames, with money flow getting thicker. All right, Bitcoin's crossing our levels, guys. All right, Bitcoin's crossing the levels. Okay, here we go, baby. She's going for the high. Oh yeah, she's going for the high. All right, let's watch this trade get stopped out. Let's watch my short trade get stopped out. Long trade still in profit, baby. All right, let's watch it go. All right, she's not going to get stopped out anymore. She's back in the green, baby, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so basically that's how I got into that long trade, guys. I just looked for the bullish divergences on those mini time frames, right? That's how you got to do it when price is pumping like a wild lady up in here. All right, so here we go. Our first high. We're going to be watching the low time frames here to see what's market cipher B looking like she wants to do. All right, what's market cipher B looking like she wants to do here? Now look at this, you know, on the low time frames, you can see that we are seeing very low time frame bearish divergences, which means we're not going to be going for the level just yet, right? It needs a little bit more time of consolidation before we get the pump through there. All right, 12-minute time frame. She's looking like she wants to go for the high. I'll be honest with you. She's looking like she wants to go for that high. All right, 10-minute money flow getting thick. Looks like she wants to go for that high. All righty. Guys, let's see if we can't get some likes up in here. We've got about 1,000 people in here, 300 likes. If we can get 1,000 likes, all right, I'll be doing probably a giveaway, all right? I'll be doing a little bit of a giveaway, all right? Because especially if we take that high, I'll be giving away some of these juicy profits, all right? Giving away some of the juiciest profits. I don't know if the trade's going to get stopped out or what, guys, okay? But this long trade is in the green. It's in the green, man. This is crazy. I was not expecting as big of a move as we're getting right now. Okay? Alright, so we're watching the Bitcoin right now. We're watching it. Alright, what's she going to do? What's she going to do? We're on the low time frames. On all these time frames, the 1 minute, she looks like she wants that high. She looks like she wants that high again. She's chasing that first high. She's chasing the first high. Is she ever going to duplicate that first high? Or is she just going to be an addict the rest of her life, always chasing that first high, never quite getting there? Never quite getting there. I don't know. We're going to have to wait. But it looks like she's going for it, baby. All right, so remember, this is level number 1. The way we're consolidating underneath this resistance right now, guys, this, in my opinion, is bullish. All things considered, this is bullish. Let's check out the order flow and see what's happening on the order flow. All right, we're going to go to the 5-minute time frame on Exo charts here. And wow. Oh my goodness. So we had a massive, massive short squeeze during that first pump. Now we're coming up once again. We're making a higher high. We've seen some. We are seeing some longs actually enter here, but a lot of them have closed out. So it's quite interesting. Wow, interesting. It's interesting. I don't really know what to make of this, guys. Let's take a look at the volume. 106 million volume on the first candle. Only 42 million on the second candle. Man, it's making me think, guys, that if we take that high again, we could just do a quick little whoop whoop and call it a day. I don't know if that's true, but all things considered right now, I'd say the probabilities are more so for a bullish move than a bearish move, baby. Okay? I'm keeping my eyes on this 5-second time frame because right now I do have to say this kind of shape that we have here, right? This kind of shape that we have here on the 5-second is making me a little bit cautious. All right? Making me a little bit cautious. All right? Man, this is an exciting time for Bitcoin, guys. Shout out to everybody in the stream. Look at that move back up to the top of the range right now, and only a few minor areas of resistance above. And then after that, guys, after the few minor resistances above, man, I think we could get a move up to 40K. And even if we get a move up to 40K, I still will be looking for shorts, all right? I still will be looking for shorts here. But yeah, my next TP on this long is going to be right up here. All right. Alrighty. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to my man Basketballs. He says 16.5 65.2 million liquidations at that high. Which high are we talking about? That first high or the second high? The second high, right? The second high? Man, I'm going to be looking to short that second high for sure. Going to be looking to short that second high for sure. All right, here we go, baby. Now, here's the thing, guys. If we come up like this, and this money flow keeps getting lower like that, that, in my opinion, could make for a short scalp, honestly. Could make for a short scalp trade. All right? All right, she's coming down now, which is a bit unfortunate, all right, guys? She's coming down. That 5 second, now here's the thing about the 5 second. If you see something like this happening on the 5 second before the key level, a lot of times it means we're going to get a move down and then blast through that key level. So to me, this still looks like bullish consolidation here. I still expect to take that high, all right? I still expect to take that high. Man, I hope we take that high. Come on, baby. Let's take that high. Let's go down to the 1 second time frame here on MEXC. All right. All right, MEXC, baby. All right, look at this on MEXC. The 1 second time frame will drive you nuts. Ah! Blue pumping. We pumping, baby. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Now we're dumping. We're pumping. We're dumping. We're pumping. We're dumping. 1 minute time frame. You guys can see here how crucial this level of resistance is. All right, something is happening here. Just based on the look of this price action, we can say something abnormal is happening here. Something out of the ordinary is going on here, okay? Shout out to all my people in the chat. We got about 1,200 people in here, 400 likes. If we can get 1,000 likes in the next 2 minutes, I'll be giving away 500 USDT, baby. All right, at 37,600. 37,600. Yeah, it's too near not to take it. I agree with you, basketballs. I agree with you, basketballs. Yeah, we need to take that high. We need to take that high. We absolutely need to take that high. All right, we're going for it, man. Basketballs has said we are going for the high. All right. And here we go. We're going to take it. We're going to take it. All right. If we do something like this, right? We do something like this. Let's see here. Something like this. With that money flow continuing to come out, guys, that could make for a short scalp. All right. Let's see. Here we go. We're going for it. Here we go, baby. We're going for it. Here we go. Here we go. Now remember, my short trade will be stopped out at that level. Here we go, baby. Oh, come on, Bitcoin, you're playing with us. She's playing with us, man. What a tease. What a tease. What a tease. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Would you look at that, guys? That is 100% we are going to go back for that level. Man, we're going to break out. We're going to break out of this. I know it. You don't just mess around like that. We're going to have some follow through. I'd be real cautious looking for a rejection from here. But maybe not. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how our beloved 5 second looks here. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Alrighty. Man, can you believe that, guys? Can you believe that? Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. We're going to the level. Straight to the level, baby. Straight to the level. Nice and, man. She is just messing around now, huh? It's like that girl from high school, the one you always wanted to ask out on the date, right? But you were in the friend zone. Every time you got the courage to ask her out, she rejected you. Gave you the hand, gave you the face. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. All right, we're definitely going to go for that high. And the way things are consolidating here, I say we're going to break out quickly. Okay, I'd say we probably break out quick. Nothing's guaranteed. We wait. But this triangle forming right here, she looks like she wants to just BAM! BAM! All right, lost the level. Lost the level right away. You see that? Lost the level right away. So let's see what happens. I think she wants to just BAM! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. All right, my short, guys. My short trade has been stopped out. Short trade has been stopped out, guys. All right. For a $2,151 profit. Next target, baby, is going to be our 38,196. Take profit on Bitcoin. All right. Let's see if we can get it here. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't give us a fake out right now. All right, we need to look at the order flow. Let's look at the order flow. 5 second looks bullish, I'll be honest with you. Here we go. I'd say the 5 second, I think we can hit this target. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We've taken the highs. We haven't lost the level. Things looking bullish. 5 second time frame looking good. How's the S&P 500? She's doing something. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to Crypto Scarface. Pump to 39,750 and then dump. Yeah, so remember, I have a very similar target, 39,750. Let me see a blue candle. Man, come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. Man. All right, so how much we got left in this trade here? 78K in the trade. We take out 15K. That'll take us down to like, a little bit less. I think we can do it, guys. Come on. You know what? I'm just going to front run it a little bit in case we make that just slightly lower high. All right. Righty. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's check out Market Cipher. B to see how she be right now. Okay. Wow, guys, if we can get 12, we have 1,300 people in the chat. If we can get 1,000 likes right now, man, we will be giving away. If we can get 1,000 likes by 2:10 p.m. Eastern Time, we'll be giving away $1,000. Can we get 500 likes in the house? All right. I have to be honest with you guys. I'm really hoping that we come up a little bit more here, but a loss of this level would be something known as a fake out. All right, but I'm not short. I'm not short in this. All right. I didn't really get my signals here, so unfortunately I have no entry right now. All right, I have no entry right now. I don't want to lose this green line. Come on, baby, green line, give us a bounce. We need the green line to give us a bounce, baby. Come on, green line. Come on. We're down to the wire. We're down to the wire, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. We're live on the internet, baby. Yeah, I know. Liquidity's cleared. If we don't pump, we're gonna dump. If we don't pump, we're gonna dump. All right, I'm gonna take some profits out right now, guys. I'm gonna just take a little profit out now. Okay. take some profits out now. Worst case scenario, we're in profit, okay? Best case scenario, we're in more profit, alright? MEXC being a little weird with the network. Alright? Come on. Don't do this to us, Bitcoin. This is the key level. 37,579. If we lose that level, it could go right to Dump City, guys. Or if we lose that level, we could go right to Dump City. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. I need you to pump, baby. I need you to pump. Shout out to J Bull in the chat. Shout out to Tanner. He says start the print liquidation order blocks of 37,000. Right, you know, look. We're holding that level. Let's zoom in. Let's like go to a low time frame here. Look at that, guys. We're holding the level. So honestly, like, if we lose this baby, all right. Uh-oh. This is not what we want to see, guys. Come on, Bitcoin. This is not what we want to see. All right. This is not what we want to see. All right. We get the loss in the back test. It could be down. Man, we are just flirting with the level. We are just flirting with her. This is very, very interesting, guys. It looks like a descending triangle right here. It looks kind of bearish. The 1 second forming a descending triangle right now. Oh, man, come on. Come on, Bitcoin. We must hold. We will stand firm. And we will stand strong in our longs. And we will pump the price. Straight to $100,000 Bitcoin. Oh, no. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. We're losing the... Oh, my goodness. We're... Oh, my... All right, oh. Okay, look, we're losing the level, all right? That is not very bullish. That is not very bullish, especially if we come back inside of this. All right, that's not bullish, guys. So this, honestly, I don't know what's going to happen here. All right, it looks like we're going to dump. At least for a little bit here, okay? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Bitcoin. All right, man. All right, well. All right, we're forming some kind of range here. This is the make it or break it moment for Bitcoin, guys. Man, but would you look at this, though? Would you look at how this worked? Resistance, resistance, support. And then we lost back test and then immediately get a Dumperoni and queso right from there. Dang, man. All right, so maybe we're not going to hit our take profit right now. Okay, but this to me, let's check out the order flow chart. All right, let's check out the order flow chart. Let's see how she's looking here. All righty. You know, it's quite interesting because we actually have like some shorts opening up here. We don't see any bearish CVD divergence. Actually, we see a little bit of a bearish CVD divergence right in here when we got that last spike up before the drop. We saw some longs actually getting absorbed. In fact, these guys, and they gave it a good effort right here. All right, somebody opened up $500,000 worth of long trades right in this one candle here. And unfortunately, they got absorbed by a bigger player. And now it looks like we're starting to get a move down. And unfortunately, guys, we're getting more bearish CVD forming here locally. We're actually seeing right now, it's less than 1 million. It's less than 1 million, so it's nothing too crazy. But we are seeing some people trying to long right now. And it looks like maybe they're being absorbed. Okay? Oh my goodness. Okay, so look, here's the dealio. The deal in Caseoni with the long. All right, guys. Look, I've taken some profits. Unfortunately, we were hoping for that big pump. We didn't really get it. Okay, so let's see now where are we going to look to bounce from, because man, this could come down. Let's pull a fib from the last low to the high. All right. And I would say that this Golden Pocket 786, this is now going to be a key zone right here. All right, if we're going to see higher prices, this is going to be a key resistance around 37K. All right, it's going to be our key support. Okay, because here's the truth. As long as we don't lose this right here, as long as we don't lose 36,762, all right, then in that case, I'd still say we have ourselves some bullishness on our hands. Right, because we're still going to be making that higher low. So I would be keeping my eyes on this right here. Okay, it's the high volume node of this last little consolidation. So let's go to a lower time frame to really kind of watch. Right, we have this consolidation right here. All right, we don't really need a volume profile just to see that this, in fact, is going to be a key support. Right, my white box right here at the local Golden Pocket. We're definitely going to get a bounce from there if we just drop down to there quick. Oh my goodness. Oh my, oh my, oh! Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Alrighty. Alright, I think we can come down a bit lower. But we are testing right now the first low. All right, see this? We're testing right now the first low. That's why we're getting a little bounce right here. We just came down to this first low. Every level of support and resistance will give you some kind of something, even if it's not a tradable move. You will notice that because we had this low right here, which is where a lot of stop losses were, we just grabbed those stop losses. Now we're getting a little bit of a bounce from it, all right? Now we're getting a little bit of a bounce from it. All right, now look at how technical things have been, guys, right? Look, we formed this resistance. Bam! Right? We lose it. We back test it. And then boom! All right? We come down to the low. Now we're getting a bounce to the upside. All right? This, I mean, literally, you could trade this way. You could scalp this way. All right? You could scalp this way. All right? You lose, back test the level. You could hop into a little scalperoni and queso, you know, something like this little guy right here, you know. Now look, we're coming back up. Let's see what happens. All right, now also something else we would do right now, guys, is potentially pull a fib from the high to the low. All right, let's pull a fib because we know our supports. We know our supports below us are the Fibonacci levels. So same deal, resistance above right now, Fibonacci levels. Let's get to a less degen time frame right now. All right, we're gonna go. Now we're gonna clear everything. We're gonna pull a fib from the high to the low. That's gonna be our local resistance. And then we're gonna pull a fib from the low to the high. That's gonna be our local support. All right, and we're actually gonna mark out right now a sideways range that we could actually even right now be looking for trades from. We've got the high of our range right up here. All right, let's remove these limit orders so they don't confuse us. And I'm going to pull one more fib, guys. I'm going to pull a fib from the last major swing low that we had this morning Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Okay, so right now we have ourselves a tradable range for Bitcoin that we can use to scalp Bitcoin right now. All right, we have key levels that we can use to scalp Bitcoin right now. First of all, we know we're looking for support around this golden pocket support resistance flip area, okay? But secondly, look at this, guys. We have the low of our range right here, and just below that we have the golden pocket 786 zone. All right, I don't know what's going on with my MEXC right now, but this is how we're gonna like plan for scalp trades and look for those juicy scalp trades while price is doing whatever it's doing. Okay, we got value area low down here as well. All right, so I'd say if I was looking for a scalp trade myself, I'm very interested in this. I'm very interested in this box here. And I'm slightly interested in this box up here. Not as interested yet. All right. I would be more interested in this box if we come down a bit lower here and bounce from this local golden pocket a bit. Then I would be looking for that. Okay. We're consolidating around this POC. Let's check out the order flow, guys. All right. Let's check out the order flow and see how she's doing. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. S&P is dumping. We need to pump. Yeah, we need to pump her up, man. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Took a short at the gym. Now he's eating a chicken sub. Man. Unfortunately, guys. Unfortunately. Alright. Man, I'm not going to take long. I'm not going to take profits on the long yet. I'm going to keep hodling it. And also, I'm not even going to close this short scalp that I'm in just in case I happen to short the top again. Sometimes you just short the top without even thinking about it, you know? And it just so happens to be the top. Man, this has been some tough Bitcoin price action as far as timing the top. All right. I want to take a look at Market Cipher B again. We're going to actually do some analysis on TradingView. All right, we're going to do some analysis in TradingView, guys, where we have Market Cipher here to look at because right now we don't have our indicators. Shout out to all 1,400 people. Guys, if we can get 1,400 likes by 2:25 p.m., I'll give away 1,000 USDT. 1,400 likes in the next 2 minutes. If everyone likes the video, we're doing a giveaway, man. Alrighty, let's see here. Okay. All right, let's check it out. We're going to go to our 2-minute time frame here. And first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to pull our fib from this last swing low that we made this morning after New York opened to the current high. We are also now going to go down to the 1 minute. And let's just make this a little bit cleaner here for us. Right? Just a little bit cleaner for us. Take off our magnet tool. All right, and then we are going to pull the fib from this local high up here to the low that we've currently made. Oh, nice. Okay, and then we're going to mark out our range low coming in right down here. This is going to be range low. We'll make it white. All right. I'm not racist. I just like white lines. All right. If I make them black, I can't see them on the black chart. All right. But White Phoenix, he only uses black lines. All right. So Casper crew, we don't see color in the Casper crew. We got all different. We even got rainbow charts in the Casper crew. All right. So this, I'd say, this is our range right now. This is our local trading range. Man. Pretty dang juicy, huh? These are the key levels to be looking for some trades here. It's the 1 minute time frame. You know what? Honestly, I would say this. I would say be looking for a back test of this level, guys. Because that's not just any level. That's not just any level right there. Let's see if we don't get a back test of that level. That's a golden pocket. And it's that old high that we had here. Let's see. Let's go down to our 5 secundo here. See how she's hanging. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat, by the way. We got some people up in here. Shout out to Prince. Shout out to Antoine. Oh, Soul. Soul pumping, baby. Soul has just taken the high. Would you look at that? Man, Soul is taking the high right now with a 15-minute bearish div, with a 12-minute bearish div, with a 3-minute bearish div. How's our 5-second looking? Man, she looks like maybe she could be coming down a little bit here. I don't see a very clear signal on Soul. I just started trading Soul with the 5-second time frame, so I don't have much experience with it, but money flow coming out as we're taking and losing that high on Soul. Let's check out Bitcoin again. Man, I would love for Bitcoin to come up now to that golden pocket. Look at Solana, man. Taking those highs. The real key level for Soul is going to be 66,845. 66,845. That's going to be the key. That's going to be key on Soul. Let's watch Soul as she approaches that level. I'm very, very curious to see. This is such a key resistance on Soul. I'm very curious to see how she looks as she approaches that level, you know? Very, very curious. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. You guys are amazing. Shout out to TJ Johnson. He's on his way to a local spring to get some drinking water because he refuses to put estrogen in his system. Well, that's how misogynistic of you, my friend. I mean, sheesh, bro. Come on. What's wrong with a little estrogen here and there? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Divine Hood. He tried to tell me about the Soul bull flag before it broke. Man, Divine Hood, one of the best flag altcoin traders I know. All right, back to the Bitcoin real quick, guys. Very, very interested in this back test of the Golden Pocket 786 right here. Let's check out our 6-minute Bitcoin time frame. I'll be honest with you guys, all things considered, this does not look too bearish, right? I mean, we're here on the low time frames, but all things considered, I don't have any issues holding this long trade right now, even overnight. I think we can keep pumping. I really do. That doesn't mean that that doesn't mean we can't dump, but all things considered, there's still nothing really bearish about this. You know, unless we start to lose this, then I would change my tune. But really, there's nothing really too bearish about this. Money flow still looks bullish. Money flow still looks bullish. I say we're just consolidating a little bit. I say we got more upside here. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You know? Let's just watch, though, our lower time frame ranges. But this is definitely, I would say, going to be an important zone. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a reaction from this, right? We're probably going to get a reaction from this. Something. We're probably going to do something like this. And maybe put in a... another higher low. Let's check out our 5-second. Yeah, I would be surprised if we just blast through here. This is a nice support resistance flip. I'll bet you a lot of people have their eyes on this golden pocket here because it is that support resistance flip. Yeah. Shout out to Crypto Scarface. He says, FOMO the like button. Yeah. Yeah. So I would say that we get a little bit of another move down from this box here, and then probably put in another higher low. Probably put in another higher low and then see higher. Right? The reason why we're getting this move like this is because this is a key support resistance flip. So you would expect on the first test of that level we'd get some kind of reaction from it, something. You would expect something from this box. It would be shocking to me if we just blast right through it. But I'm still also expecting that we make another higher low here. Check the Bitcoin 5-minute Bitcoin 5-second bear div on this golden pocket. Really? Oh, yeah. 5-second bear div on the golden pocket. Yep. That's another reason why I was saying we're going to get a move down from here. We definitely have a 5-second bear div here, for sure. Alrighty, man, we got about 1,400 people in here, 800 likes. Let's see if we can't get the likes up to the dang watchers, guys. Likes up to the dang watchers. You know what's interesting, though? You know, it's pretty interesting because on, oh, no, we did not quite hit that golden pocket on MEXC. We just front ran it. Like by a nanocent. Oh, just kidding. We actually tapped into it to the nanocent. I thought we front ran, but on MEXC we tapped that baby. Look at that. We tapped it. Man, oh man. Well, you know, it is crazy because the reason why it's crazy is because actually had my golden pocket pulled a little bit not right, and so that kind of messed me up a little bit here. All right, here we go. We're starting to get a move back to the upside, y'all. We're starting to get a move back to the upside. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Keep your eyes peeled, because honestly, we could do something like this based on our 5-second right now. Money flow coming out here. Let's check out our 1 minute. Money flow also coming out on the 1. Shout out to everybody who liked the stream. Shout out to all 4 people who disliked the stream. May God bless the likers and the dislikers equally. If you dislike the stream, well, I just pray that you find a different YouTuber who does better crypto analysis and isn't so degen. Head and Shoulders could be a Head and Shoulders, absolutely. Yeah, this could be a Head and Shoulders. It could be, technically, if we're considering this the neckline here, then yeah, it could be, right? It could be, but yeah, it could be. Let's see, what would the target of this Head and Shoulder be? If the target of this Head and Shoulder is realized, then that, I would say, look at that, it takes us right down to our range low. So if we do dump from here, this range low, I'm going to be looking for a bounce, like a legit bounce. But if we don't break down from here, guys, then we're going for those highs, baby. Going for those highs. All right? Tibor says, I think it will pick up liquidity and go down. It very well may, especially as we head into... Well, here's the thing, you know, New York close, power hour, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Shout out to Lil Peak, just scalped 140%. Crypto Noob says you always white lie about giveaways. That's not true, my friend. I mean, that's straight up not true, but, you know, look. I will say two facts about the giveaways, all right? Number 1, I will say this emphatically. There's no other trading YouTube channel that gives away as much as this trading channel. All right? We give away thousands of dollars every month just for fun. Number 2, I'm not lying when I say in the next 2 minutes, if we get this many likes, I'll give it away. We just never get that many likes. So Crypto Noob, man, it's your fault, bro. You're supposed to call your friends, text your whole dang contact list, say, would you like the dang video? I'm trying to get $1,000, but no. But no. You're not going to do that. You're not going to call your mom. In fact, call me right now and we'll group Crypto Noob. Give me your number, bro. I'm going to call you right now. On stream, we're going to call your mom together and she's going to like the dang video. All right, I'm waiting for it. All right, I'm waiting for it. So Crypto Noob, man, put your number in the chat. I'm going to call you. We're going to join call your mom together. And we're going to ask her to like the stream. And here's the thing. If I talk to your mom, not only will I do the giveaway, I'll even give your mom 500 USDT. If you give me your number right now, and we talk on the phone right now on this stream, and we call your mom, all right? I'm giving your mom $500. All right? Come on, man. All right, where's my man? We're looking for him. Crypto Noob. Come on, bro. The funny thing is, I'm not even kidding, man. I'm serious. I'm straight serious. Man, that would make for a legendary... That would make for a legendary stream. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Crypto Noob, man. Come on, do it for the archives. Do it for the shorts. Where we look back on this stream and say, do you remember that time we called Crypto Noob's mom on stream? Oh, man. Crypto Noob, man, I don't see you in here. Oh, your views is mine, bro. My condolences, and I'm sorry to hear about your mom passing, man. Alright, where's Crypto Noob? Alright, he's not here. Alright, okay. Man. Alright, alrighty. Shout out to Divine Hood. Look, guys, look. I mean, I'm just having a good time. Like, I'm just messing around, right? I'm not taking any of this stuff seriously at all. You know what I'm saying? Alright, well, crap. We're getting a move down. Okay? It's not... I hope we keep pumping. I think this is just a little bit of consolidation here. Let's check out the order flow chart once again. Oh, man. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, guys, but we do have a little bit more bearish looking absorption here. All right, let's check out how much. 46. Let's go to a higher time frame so we can see more clearly here. Just about a million longs being absorbed in this little chunk here. Just about a million longs being absorbed in this little chunk here. All right, we've rejected from this local golden pocket. Now, again, guys, I'm actually kind of hoping and looking for another higher low to be made here. But as I watch the 1 minute money flow come out, man, I just don't even know anymore. That's the thing. We can't really know these things. We can just take the setups as they come, guys. That's all we can really do. So, I actually, to be honest with you guys, I tried to add to my trade in this golden pocket, but I didn't get to because I had a limit order too high. So I could have ended up adding to this little scalp that I took when we initially lost and back tested that level right here. When we initially lost and back tested, I tried to add a little bit in here at the golden pocket, but I had my golden pocket pulled wrong. So you know what? As it typically is, the way it works for me is we're probably going to dump here, and I'm going to dump down with this tiny little 100x long short. All right. But I hope not. I really hope that the long trade will win out, guys. All right, that's the one that I'm hoping for. Okay. Where's Crypto Noob? Shout out to Aaron G. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Manhattan 6003. Shout out to SSS Tar. He says Jason is in good energy today. God bless. God bless you all. Man, in Yeshua's name, in Jesus' name, God is so good. God is so good and merciful and gracious to me. I'm just so dang humbled when I think of all that the Lord has done for me. And at the end of the day, guys, you know, we're sitting here, we're trading the charts. We're on the grind, but this is not what's most important in life. Don't ever forget that, guys. Don't ever forget what's most important in life. Family, God, relationships. Don't let this stuff eat away at you, because I guarantee when you're on your deathbed, you're not going to care that you didn't short the golden pocket. But it is easy for these things to consume. At least I speak for myself. The charts do consume me. It's really hard for me to pull away from the charts. You know? Especially when I'm scalping the 5 second. Oh, Crypto Noob in the chat, bro. So what, man? Are we going to call your mom or what? Are we going to call your mom? No? Oh, bro. Come on, man. They're not going to blow you up. Look, I'm going to make everybody pinky promise. Don't blow up Crypto Noob. Alright? Don't blow up Crypto Noob. We'll pinky swear. Alright? Come on, bro. What? Oh, no. Oh, Crypto Noob, bro. What a dick I am. Bro, I'm so sorry, man. If that's true, bro. Oh, man. If this not true, then that's an expert troll move, bro. You know? You trolled, I trolled back, now you're trolling me. But if that's true, man, I really apologize, man. Shout out to Crypto Trader. How's my old man? Yeah, he's doing good, guys. So he didn't have a heart attack. Praise God. He just has very strange pains. They don't know what it is. You know? Oh man, Fred Vasquez just got paid $2K in Bitcoin and lives in a third world country. Should I cash out or hold? Well, man, I would, if I was in your exact position, do you know what I would do? This is not financial advice. I would cash out half and hold the other half. Hold the other half until the end of 2024. I mean, if you got $2K in Bitcoin, and you cash out half, you got 1K that's fixed to the dollar, which is constantly losing its purchasing value. But nonetheless, you can use it immediately if you have to, right? Or you could even use that dollar to trade, you know what I'm saying? Or you could just hodl the dollars. But then you got your Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin pumps. You don't feel bad that you sold your Bitcoin, you still got half. You know what I'm saying? It's a win-win in my opinion. It's a win-win in my opinion. Shout out to Crypto Scarface for the super chat. Man, God bless you, bro. I'm so glad you find value in the content. Make sure to smash up the dang like button, y'all. Yeah. Keep one, sell one. Shout out to Houston. What made me get on those low time frames? Okay, it was Trading Wars, guys. It was Trading Wars. Even though I lost 10% on the account in Trading Wars because I was 100x leveraging the full account gambling, basically. Because you only have an hour to trade. What are you going to do? But yeah, I was looking for what strategy can I do where if I only have an hour to trade, where I'd be able to find trade setups. And so that pushed me down to the DGen 5-second time frame. Pray for K-Packs, y'all. And then I started to say, hey man, this 5-second time frame ain't no joke. So I've been messing with this for about a month. I've been messing with this 5-second scalping strategy, guys, for about a month. All right? For about a month. And it's been pretty dang good. I'd say in about a month. Well, I don't want to tell you. Well, you'll probably find out how much I made anyway, because I'm about to make a video where I show all my P&L and everything because I'm about to shill the scalping course, but I want to show it's legit and not just me making up stuff. You know. But yeah, you can do pretty well, man. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Robert, the 5-second scalp punch. Shout out to Ethan Redhead, winner of the 5-second videos being released probably this week or next week, guys. I'm going to release a full mini course, an 8-series mini course on scalping the low time frames. It's going to be less than $100. If you already have access to the course that I've already released, it's going to just be added to that as well. So you're going to have it for free if you already bought the course. So shout out to Shane G. Shout out to Yash. What do you have to do for a giveaway? Well, I mean, at first I said if we can get 1,000 likes by, I forget when I said, but we didn't do that. And then I said 1,400 by, forget also when I said, but we didn't do that. So now, I don't know, I have to think of something else. All right, Jose, just tuned in. Do I ever lose? Yes, of course. Of course, I lose all the time. That's the thing, you lose all the time. But, you know, as long as your losses outweigh your wins, it's all good, right? So yeah, I mean, I take losses all the dang time. So look at these. These are my November trades. I take 1, 2, 3. This was a $0 loss. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses. The rest wins. Overall, profitable for the last 2 weeks. So yeah, you take losses all the time, but the thing is, you know, you take losses, small win, small loss. Small win, small loss, big win. That's the way to do it, baby. That's the way to do it, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's all about using good risk management. That's really the key. Good risk management. Making sure that when you take your losses, you're keeping them smaller than your wins are going to be, right? Small loss, small win, big win. That's the key. I think Flopping Groper said that, right? Oh man, now Bitcoin's taking the dumperoni and queso. I was hoping we'd make a higher low. What's the target of this short trade? Oh man. No, I didn't flip short, guys. I didn't flip short. I entered a little short scalp, and I've already TP'd half the dang trade. My target for the short scalp is going to be right around here is a good target. I mean, because if we come lower than here, we're coming much lower. So I would say if you shorted from the golden pocket, here, this 786 is definitely a good TP. But if we lose the 786, we're coming much lower, guys. If we lose the 786, we are coming lower. We're probably going to come back down. Well, here, let's get on TradingView. 786, definitely a good TP1, I would say. All right. Let's get back on TradingView. Yeah, so look, if we're going to lose this trend line here, this is a potential head and shoulders, then the target would be 36,730, the golden pocket and the range low, right? The golden pocket and the range low. I made 65. No, David Williams, that's not my profit, man. That's not my profit. CryptoFace said that. All right, CryptoFace said that. I knew. One of the brothers. Nah, it's not that big of a gain, you guys, man. If I only had $1,000, what leverage would you use? If I only had $1,000, I would trade the exact same way as I trade now. No difference at all. The only difference would be I would use smaller position sizes. I would risk the same amount of percentage capital, same leverage. It doesn't matter. You know? Nothing would change. But speaking of change, guys, I have to head out. You know, it's been a really good stream, guys. Man, I love all of you. May God bless you all. In Jesus' name. May the Lord bless you. May He protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you wholeness. And by the way, shout out to Tom Crown with the elbow cough. Tom Crown, man. God bless you, man. Good to see you here. Sorry I missed your super chat yesterday. Shout out to Tom Crown for the $100 super chat. You're the man, Tom Crown. Everybody go subscribe to Tom Crown. One of the real deal crypto YouTubers in the space. All right, he's not out there to shill you a whole bunch of Bybit affiliate links. He's there to give you some good information, make some good calls, do some good TA, have a good time, wear some good sunglasses. And, yeah, God bless y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.